A 4-byte hex number beginning with lower order byte is stored from memory location 2400H. Write a program that checks whether the given number considered in hex is palindrome or not. If the number is palindrome, then the memory location 2500H must contain 00, else FF. What do you mean by palindrome? If we read the number from left to right, if you read the combination of characters, special characters, numbers from left to right or right to left, the combination should remain the same, that is called as palindrome. For example, here number beginning with lower order, that means here you will come BA, it is at lower order, and at the memory location 2403, whatever number is there, it is either at the high order. BA low order and AB high order. Now read the number from left to right. AB0550BA. Read it from right to left. AB0550BA. That means this combination is palindrome. If palindrome is there, you have to store 00, and if number is not palindrome, you have to store FF. How to determine the number is palindrome or not? Take the least significant 2 digit of the number and most significant 2 digit of the number. Here, if we reverse the digit position and if we subtract it, if you get answer 0, then the first combination is palindrome. Same is to be applied for second. Same is to be applied for second. Take any one of the 2-digit combination, reverse the digit position with 4 times RRC or 4 times RLC, subtract it. If you get the answer 0, then that combination is also palindrome. If both combinations you are getting palindrome, that means the number is palindrome. We have to check this. The digit position can be exchanged with 4 times RRC or 4 times RLC. This part is already explained to you. Exchange the digit position. Alexa H2400. HL is represented with green. Here 2400. HL represents 2400 memory location. Alexa ID 2403. Here DE equal to 2403. It should be actually 24. Here by mistake it is written as 23. Here also it is 24. Here also it is 24. Alexa here and here. Okay. Then LDAXD, DE gives the memory location, go to that memory location, bring the number to accumulator. In accumulator you will get the number AB. Perform 4 times RRC, 1, 2, 3, 4. At the 4th time, the digit position gets reversed. It becomes BA. From this number, subtract memory. Memory is given by HL. Go to this memory, take the number and subtract it from accumulator. In this combination, you are getting 0, 0. If not 0 is there, then you have to take a jump. If not 0 is there, then you have to take a jump to this particular label and execute that instruction. But here 0 is there. So go to the next INXH. HL gets incremented by 1. DCXD. Here DCXD, it becomes 2402. It becomes 2402. Next, LDAXD, go to that memory location, take the number and bring it to the accumulator As already explained to you, 4 times RRC instruction or 4 times RLC instruction exchange the digit position. It becomes 50. Subtract M. Go to the memory 2401, whatever number is there, that is 50, it gets subtracted, you will get answer 0. If answer is not 0, then you have to go to the instruction which is at label down. But answer is 0. Therefore execute the next instruction, LXI H2500 and move A to M. In accumulator number 00 is there, it goes to 2500. The first case, the number is palindrome and you are getting the answer in that memory location as 00. But for second combination, same procedure, LXI H2400, LXI D2403, LDAXD, take the number from that memory location, bring it to the accumulator, 4 times RRC, the digit position gets exchanged, it becomes 64. Here the number is 46. After 4 times RRC, it becomes 64. Subtract contents of memory, that is BA. Answer is not equal to 0. Here you are getting answer other than 0. When answer is not equal to 0, take the jump at label down and whatever instruction is there, execute that instruction. In accumulator, bring the number FF. In accumulator, bring the number FF. In accumulator, bring the number FF. After bringing the number to the accumulator as FF, again you have to take the jump to this instruction. LXI H2500. Here actually jump instruction should be there. LXI H2500. Go to that instruction. I will put here label up. Go to that instruction. And transfer the contents of accumulator to memory, or that means content of accumulator is FF, it is transferred to memory, you will get answer as FF. That means in any one of the combination, the digit after exchanging the digit position, if you are not getting the same combination, the number is not palindrome. Here after exchanging the digit position, you are getting the same number, but for the second combination you are not getting the same number. That means here number is not palindrome, you will get result as FF. Now we have to execute this program. Here is the program which checks the given number is palindrome or not. Here number is inputted, you are getting the number. We'll check the number is palindrome or not. Already program is explained to you. We'll execute it step by step. Okay. LXI 2400 gets executed. LXID 2403 gets executed. STAXD, the number from this memory location is brought to accumulator. 4 times RRC, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will get BA. Next, subtract M, 2400, whatever number is there, it gets subtracted. Answer is 00. If not 0, then go to down, but here 0, INXH, it becomes 2401, DCXD, it becomes 2402. Next, bring the number 05 with the help of LDAX, that means from 2402. Rotate it 4 times RRC, digit position gets exchanged. Subtract them, you get the answer 0. If not 0, then jump. Otherwise, program continues sequentially. LXI H2500, move the contents of accumulator to memory. That is, to the memory, you will get here 0, 0, and execution of program stops. Now, let's check the program by changing the number. Instead of AB here, I will make the change 98. Now I will execute the program at a stretch. Here you will get the number FF because number is not palindrome. Here you will get FF. Now I will make a change here. I will keep here BA as it is. Here I will make a change 87. Execute the program. Again I will make here 00. Execute the program, you will get here FF. That means when number is not palindrome, you are getting FF, and when number is palindrome, you are getting 00. Again, execute the same program using different microprocessor kit. Here you are having a microprocessor kit. Already program is entered here. Now you have to check the number from memory location 2400 BA 505005 AB. Execute the program, reset, go 2000 and execute the program. After executing the program, check the result, reset exam memory 2500 increment, you will get the result as 0, 0. Now program is checked on the both microprocessor kit.